Hello everyone. So today, while exploring the internet, I found a really cool code visualizer tool. It is very simple and perfect for beginners because it shows how the code executes step by step. Okay, so I decided to use this tool to explain the LeetCode problem to some, which is the LeetCode first problem. So this is the to some problem solution code. Okay, first we have a list of numbers and a target which is need to find. So output is 0 and 1, which is refers to the index. Okay, so 0 index means 2 and 1 index means 7, and 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. That's mean we find the target. So explanation, and 0 plus 1 is equal to 9, so we return 0 and 1. Okay, so how to implement this using Python code? Okay, so this is the list and the target, and we simply call the function and pass two arguments, numbers and target. Okay, now go to the function. This is the toSum function, and take two parameters, list and target. Return list. First store the len of numbers in the int n variable, then run two for range loops. It starts 0 to n minus 1, and the second for range loop starts from I plus 1 and end the number of nums, and calculate if nums1 and plus nums_j is equal to target, then simply return the index of I and j. Okay, so simply done it. Now see 0 and 1, but to solve this problem we use two for loops, which is good for beginners and the brute force approach, but this is not efficient because when we used two for loops, the time complexity goes to O of n square. Okay, so time complexity is not good, so I also write an optimized code. Okay, so I just copy this code and paste in the code visualizer to showing this code visualizer tool. Okay, so this is the problem today I will solve. Okay, to some, which is the LeetCode number 1 problem. Okay, and this is the code visualizer, name staying.fun. I already paste the code. Now see this area. This is the list of numbers which is highlighting here, and press next. This is the target. Okay, and this is the function to solve the problem. Okay, scene is a empty dictionary. Then enter the for range loop. In this case, I used just one for loop. Okay, so time constantly goes to O of n, which is greater than O of n square. Okay, enter the for loop. For loop runs 0 to length of numbers. To for loop run 0 to 3. Then press next. Then check the condition. If target, which is 9, and name of I, which is 2. Okay, so 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, and at this time since scene is empty, so that's why this is not find. Okay, so this condition is not execute, so go to the this area. Okay, so simply store the nums of I, which is 2. Okay, this is, and this data stored in scene. Then go to the again loop, and now go this line. At this time target minus nums of I, target which is 9 and nums of I at this time I nears to 7, so target 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 2 is present in the since dictionary. Okay, so just simply return it. Okay, see, simply return it, and this is print the output. Okay, so I just copy this and sorry, and paste it, optimized, and simply run. See, oh, this is the wrong format, so just change the and now print. Yeah, this is okay. So today we solve two sum problem, which is the LeetCode number 1 problem.